my students had prepared a treasure hunt, Caza del Tesoro, and I had to read clues that gave me directions on where to go. Go out of the class and turn right.
In the last one, there's a riddle. No?
No, on the last one.
The fourth one.
Yes.
Okay. The place where you give old works a new life is where a wonderful surprise you'll find. At the end of the treasure hunt,
He's clever.
there was a treasure. Crazy. Treasure, tesoro. You thought I was going to do that 3-time thing, right? Wrong. I'm not. 5B treasure hunt. Terrance. SimplyTerrance to you. Let's take a look at what's inside the treasure box. Okay, so look at this cute little pink box. Whoa. It looks like macaroons that are made with clay or plasticine in 3 colors. And look at the little details. They're so cute. I can't smell it. It's not cold. I can't smell it. But they are just precious. I love this kind of stuff. When we create things, I love it. Next. Whoa. This is it's like one of those little frisbee stars. Gotcha. Next. Whoa. Slime! I got a little thing of slime, a little container of how do you... Slimy. ASMR. Crazy. This is weird. Slimy alert! Ah! I wonder how I'm gonna clean my hands. There's paper everywhere! Ah! Thanks. Next. An airplane. Ish. Next. Ooh, another paper airplane. I wonder where they get that idea from. Next. Ooh, look at this. This is from Kiara. And it says, "Thanks for being our teacher, Terrance." The cutest thing. Look at the inside. It's like a pop-up. Boom. Oh. Let me do it. I love that. And it says, because I can't see. Boom. I love this. It says, "You are the best and an artist." That is so cute. And she says, "Thanks." Vest is what you wear. Best is me. Next. They are not playing. Just in case you were wondering, this is the time where you can like and subscribe this video. Next. It's a fish on cotton with a magnet. It's a fish cotton magnet. Crazy. I love it. Thank you. Next. Oh. Next. It's a star. I love this little wand. It's like a star wand. Does that make me a star? YouTube star to you. Thank you. Next. Look at this little box. It says "For Terrance" as a flower on it, and there's a box inside of a box. with cute little rhinestones. I love rhinestones. I love things that are shiny. I love glitter. Can't you tell? But would you look at that? It's more shiny rhinestones and beads. Wow! Thank you. Next. A snowflake! There's a snowflake. Must be chilly out there. Next. Candy. Sweets. You must not know I'm missing a tooth. Sweets. Thanks. You're very sweet. Next. A flower on purple cardstock is a flower on purple cardstock. Thanks. Next. Whoa. This was super creative. It's a T with a heart and it says, I love you. And then when you turn it around, it also says, Terrance with a silver heart. It's going right over my heart. Thank you. Next. I got a little person made out of chicken wire. And I know it's me because it hasn't got hair. Twinning is winning. Next. Oh my goodness. This changes everything. Break. This is crazy. I cannot believe my kids know me this well. How did you know I like bow ties? I'm going nuts. I don't even know what to do right now. I noticed something. I noticed that the star wand had like a little bit of glue and I was like, huh, that's odd. And then I found this with a star behind. So I'm thinking that the star wand really wasn't a star wand. Let's fix it. Well, glue didn't work. So maybe double stick tape will work. You're really going. Here it is. And I think that this is what they were trying to do. Right here. I must ask you a question. I got my little question here box. This is what the plan was. It was a mustache. Do you know I'm also an investigator?
¿Sabías que SimplyTerrance también es detective? Detective. Ha perdido todos los papeles, pero nunca su ritmo. Es audaz, intrépido, observador, con sed para la justicia y hambre para el éxito. Y a veces hasta pierde la cabeza con el caso más simple. Pero jamás pierde su ritmo.
More on that later. Jaime. I gotta thank my lovely, lovely friend Jaime for helping me with my bow tie. We got it. Right here, you have it all. This was the content of the treasure. It's, there's nothing else in the box. And the treasure hunt. Thank you so much. It was an adventure. I got scared. I got confused. I got lost. But I got rewarded. So thank you so much. Boom. I think that's it. Jaime, is that it? You think so? Yeah. Okay. Well, that's it. So do I just stand up and leave? I really got to think about the environment. I can't just leave. I just got to...